And we are on day 75. For those of you who know about the project, it will end, I think, first part of July, which that means it's not too far away. Well, if today's 75, that means I have 25 more collages to make before I can put the little book together. It means that I have 25 more little collages, 25 more days to do this. I think I've told y'all it's a little long. It's getting a little harder. It's also gotten very hot here. Heat makes it hard for me to do things. Even with the air conditioner, my studio is warm, and it just wears me out a lot faster. So I guess I'm not feeling as creative. But I am going to work on this little collage, and I'll be back later and see where we stand. Have fun watching. Well, as I've told you before, I'm not always in love with all of them. This one, the more I did, the worse it got. So it's time to just stop with it. It's too busy. There's too much, I think. And I may change my mind about it later, but this definitely is not one of my favorites. Like I said, too busy. Probably not enough white space behind it, that kind of thing. But it's all right. We can't be in love with them all. The process is what is important. You can't make a good piece of art if you don't make art at all. So worrying about always having it be good is something that you need to stop doing. You need to always try, and if it goes bad, you just stop, and it's just a little time. So anyways, I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity and go on to the next project. Wear your heart on your sleeve and dip your pen in it to create. I like that one. Okay, guys, go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.